Okay guys, so if you want to see how to get your brows from this to this, then definitely keep on watching. So the products you're going to be needing, you're going to be needing a brow pencil, of course. I'm using the Beauty Line by Didi BROWGASM pencil. This has a spoolie at the end which makes life easier, and then at the other side it has the actual brow product in it. Yeah, moving on, you're also going to be needing a concealer. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter concealer, and also you'll be needing a foundation basically, so your normal foundation shade, and a brow gel. I'm using Secure the Brows, also by Beauty Line by Didi. This is a tinted fiber brow gel, and this is in the shade Chestnut, I believe. And of course, an angled brush, a flat brush. If you don't have this, pause this video, go to your beauty supply shop, get a brow brush, and come back to this video. So I'm starting off by using the spoolie to brush my brow hair, guys. As you can see, I've not carved my brows in like 2 months. It's just everywhere. So I'm taking the brow pencil now, and I'm going to be outlining the bottom part of my brows. Guys, for this drawing stage, you just have to be in control. Basically, take charge of the pencil, go in with light strokes, and just outline your brows. Pro tip: if you want to achieve that natural looking brows, you're going to be doing a lot of brushing of your brows, as you can see. So you're going to be brushing the brow hair a lot to see what you're working with. So now I'm just carving the top part of my brows the way I want it to look. So I'm going into the bottom part to properly outline it. Where your brows actually begin, you want to go in with really light strokes, guys, to get that natural look, and then brush it up. So I'm just going back into filling all the spaces I feel like there's no product there. And again, I'm brushing, guys. You're going to be doing a lot of brushing till you're satisfied with what you want. Okay, so moving on, I'm taking my concealer, and I'm also taking my foundation. I'm just going to be putting that at the back of my hand. I'm going to start off with the foundation for the front part, and I'm just going to be using that to clean up my brows. Now I'm going in with the concealer for the middle part, and I'm going to be using that to clean up as well. Guys, it's okay if you make mistakes. You go back with your pencil or your concealer to correct. Everything is under control, okay? Don't be afraid. Now I'm using a blending brush to blend out the concealer so I can see what I need to adjust. Now I'm going in with my foundation shade, and I'm just going to be cleaning the top part of my brows. I'm just doing this so that I can get a little more defined look. And now I'm just patting it with my blending brush. I'm not blending like I did for my under eye. I'm just going to be patting that in. What I'm doing now is going back in with my foundation shade for the tail of my brows to make it thinner or slimmer. I didn't like how fat it was looking. Okay, so this is what the brow is looking like. Next up, I'm going in with the brow gel, and I'm not going to be using the applicator because I feel like it's too big or too wide. So I'm just going to be applying that to the back of my hand, and I'm going to be taking the spoolie, and just using that to brush up my brow hair. So what the brow gel does is to set the brow hair in place, set the color, and also keep the brow hair from moving around the place. Okay guys, so this is how I like to do my brows. Really simple, nothing serious. I've become a fan of natural looking brows, and I'm loving it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.